Will artificial intelligence take your job? It's the big question on everyone's mind, a fear that echoes through headlines and late-night conversations. We picture robots taking over factories, algorithms writing articles, and human roles slowly fading into obsolescence. But what if we're asking the wrong question? What if the real story isn't about replacement, but transformation? What if AI will actually change our jobs for the better and create new ones we can't even imagine yet? Let's start by demystifying AI. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to machines that can learn from data and make decisions, sometimes even better or faster than humans can. Right now, what we're mostly dealing with is narrow AI. This is the AI that powers your Netflix recommendations, helps Google understand your search queries, and allows your phone's voice assistant to set a timer. It's incredibly good at one specific task. The idea of general AI, a machine with human-like reasoning and consciousness, is still the stuff of science fiction. The key takeaway is that AI isn't some distant future concept. It's already woven into the fabric of our daily lives, quietly working in the background. This feeling of rapid change isn't new. Think about it. The Industrial Revolution saw machines take over physical labor, fundamentally changing agriculture and manufacturing. Then came the Digital Revolution, where computers began handling repetitive mental tasks, transforming offices and information processing. Now we're in the AI revolution, where machines can not only perform tasks but also learn and adapt. Each wave of technological change has felt disruptive, but this one feels different because of its sheer speed. History shows us that work always evolves, but this time the evolution is happening at an unprecedented pace. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Which jobs are actually most affected? The impact isn't a one-size-fits-all scenario. Jobs with a high risk of automation are those involving repetitive, predictable tasks. Think of data entry, basic customer service responses, or logistical sorting in a warehouse. These are areas where an algorithm can process information faster and more accurately than a human. Then there are medium-risk jobs. These often involve creativity, but are based on recognizable patterns, like certain types of marketing content creation, generating foundational code, or producing graphic design elements. Here, AI becomes a powerful assistant, not necessarily a replacement. It can generate ideas, automate tedious parts of the creative process, and free up professionals to focus on higher-level strategy and refinement. Finally, we have the low-risk jobs. These are roles that rely heavily on uniquely human qualities: empathy, complex strategy, genuine human connection, and nuanced judgment. Think of teachers, therapists, nurses, senior leaders, and caregivers. An AI can't replicate the trust a patient has in their doctor, the inspiration a student feels from a great mentor, or the emotional support a therapist provides. In these fields, the focus is on augmentation, using AI to enhance human capabilities, not replace them. And this brings us to a fascinating point. For every job AI disrupts, it also creates new ones. Just a few years ago, roles like AI prompt engineer or data ethicist didn't exist. Now they're in high demand. We need people to train machine learning models, design how humans interact with AI systems, and ensure these powerful tools are used responsibly. It's just like how the rise of the internet created millions of jobs that were unimaginable in the 1980s, from web developers to social media managers and digital marketers. As technology evolves, so do the opportunities for human ingenuity. So, if AI is handling the repetitive tasks, what skills should we be focusing on? The skills of the future are the ones that are hardest to automate. First and foremost is creativity, the ability to imagine something new, connect disparate ideas, and think outside the box. Next is emotional intelligence, understanding and managing our own emotions and those of others. This is the foundation of collaboration, leadership, and connection. Then there's critical thinking, the ability to analyze information, question assumptions, and solve complex problems. And perhaps most importantly, adaptability. In a world of rapid change, the willingness and ability to learn new things is the ultimate career insurance. Finally, communication. The skill of conveying complex ideas clearly and persuasively will become even more valuable as we need to bridge the gap between human strategy and AI execution. These are the traits that make us uniquely human, and they are becoming our greatest professional assets. This leads to a powerful new model for work, the human-AI partnership. Forget the man versus machine narrative. The future is man with machine. Think of it like centaur teams, where human intelligence and artificial intelligence combine their strengths to achieve something neither could do alone. Imagine a doctor using an AI to analyze thousands of medical scans in minutes to detect cancer at its earliest, most treatable stage. The AI provides the data analysis, but the doctor provides the diagnosis, the treatment plan, and the empathetic patient care. Or picture an architect using an AI to generate hundreds of sustainable building designs based on a set of constraints. The architect then uses their expertise and creative vision to refine the best options and create a truly innovative structure. The AI accelerates the process, but the human provides the purpose and the final touch. The goal isn't to compete with AI, but to collaborate with it, leveraging its power to amplify our own abilities. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. We can't talk about AI without touching on the ethical side. AI is only as fair and unbiased as the data we feed it. If historical data reflects societal biases, the AI will learn and perpetuate those biases, leading to unfair outcomes in hiring, loan applications, or even criminal justice. This raises crucial questions about privacy, accountability, and the responsible deployment of this technology. Building a better future of work isn't just about developing smarter algorithms. It's about ensuring those algorithms are guided by human ethics and values. So, let's bring it all together. It's time to reframe our fear. The reality is, AI probably won't replace you, but a person who knows how to use AI effectively might. The key isn't to resist this technological wave, but to learn how to surf it. This means embracing a mindset of lifelong learning. The most valuable skill you can possess in the 21st century is the ability to learn new skills. We must stay curious, be open to change, and continuously adapt. Because despite all the code and algorithms, the future of work remains deeply human. We are still at the center of creativity, empathy, and strategic vision. Technology evolves, and so do we. The future of work isn't about losing what makes us human. It's about amplifying it. AI can handle the what and the how, but it's up to us to provide the why. AI may change how we work, but it will never replace why we work. Thanks for watching. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on our next exploration.